In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share photos on Google Drive with friends. Sharing photos through Google Drive is not only convenient, but also a secure way to ensure your snapshots are accessible to those you wish to share them with. Let's delve into the process step by step so you can start sharing your memorable moments effortlessly. Firstly, you'll want to make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Head over to Google Drive by opening your preferred web browser and typing in drive.google.com. Once you're on the main Google Drive page and logged into your account, you're ready to start. If you've already uploaded your photos to Google Drive, locate them now. If you haven't uploaded the photos you wish to share, just click on the New button, situated usually at the top left corner of the page, and select File Upload from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to choose and upload photos from your device. Once your photos are uploaded, navigate to the file or folder you wish to share. You can do this by scrolling through your list of files in Google Drive or by using the search bar if you remember the name of your file. Once located, right-click on the file or folder. A menu will pop up with several options. Here, you'll want to click on the option that says Share. A share window will appear, prompting you to enter the email addresses of the friends you want to share your photos with. In the text box labeled Add People and Groups, type the email addresses of your friends, separating each one with a comma. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu to the right, which determines the access level of the people you're sharing with. You'll have a few choices: editor, commenter, and viewer. If you want your friends to have the ability to edit or add photos to the folder, selecting editor would be appropriate. However, if you want to maintain control over changes and only allow them to view the photos, viewer is the right choice. After you've chosen the appropriate settings and access levels, consider adding a message in the text field below the email addresses to provide any additional instructions or friendly notes regarding the photos you're sending. Finally, once everything looks good, click on Send. Your photos will now be shared with the specified contacts, and they'll receive an email notification inviting them to view the content you've shared. And that's it. Using Google Drive to share your photos can make sharing and organizing your digital memories with friends incredibly straightforward. Keep in mind the importance of double-checking permissions if privacy is a concern, and always make sure you're comfortable with the sharing settings you've selected. Happy sharing!